Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Linette with the Laurel County Public Library. We're going to do something just a little bit different tonight. I'm not actually going to cook anything. We are going to have a kind of a picture slideshow presentation of my family making sorghum, or some people say molasses. And this is a kind of a video tribute to my dad. We lost my dad back in August. And this was something that he kind of inspired us all to do. So as we go through the pictures, you're going to see the whole process, or at least most of the process. And I wanted to kind of tell you what that was. You will see first and foremost pictures of two handsome guys. That's my dad and my uncle. They did this the first time back in 1982. They only did it one time, and I think that's because it was a whole lot of work. But I was 11, almost 12 years old when they did that, and it stuck with me, and I've always wanted to do it ever since. So my husband is gullible, and I talked him into it over the years, and this year we attempted that. So after that, you will see a picture of when my husband was plowing the ground. Unfortunately, I did not get a picture of him actually planting the seed, but I can tell you that those seeds are very, very tiny, and we've got to work on the planting process because it was a little thick this year. Then you will see my family, friends, all kinds of people in the field cutting the cane. You will see people at the mill pressing it. You're going to see us cooking it. You're going to see friends and family just coming together to watch this process. You'll see us jarring it. You'll see the final product, and you're even going to see some delicious plates where people are actually eating it. So, you know, this is kind of a dying art. There's not many people that do this anymore, and it's really neat for people to just come and watch and be a part of it. And it's something that builds memories for families. This past 2 weekends we've done this, and it's been an all-day Saturday event. This past Saturday, my little great nephew, who's 5 and in kindergarten, got to come, and I'm pretty sure when he went to school that he probably had a big story to tell his teacher. I would have loved to have been there if the teacher said, "What did you do this weekend?" Because I'm sure he had something unusual to tell her. So I hope you all enjoy it. Like I said, it's a little bit different, but maybe next time we can talk about some recipes that you use with molasses. So enjoy. See you next time.